Shout out, shout out, shout out, shout out to all supporters in YouTube land across the globe, across the world. Shout out to all friends, yes, all my friends, all my supporters. Shout out to you around the world. Shout out to everyone. You're watching the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Today I will be doing jerk pork, the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV style on the YouTube platform. Yes, on the Winston Jail International TV. Jerk pork, modified version, Jamaican style jerk pork, but modified by the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV. And I'll be doing Indian rice and peas, red kidney beans with Indian rice, seasoned down to the max. And these are my ingredients: hot pepper and thyme, yes, butter, red kidney beans, carrots, yes, chopped up onion, sliced up onion, scallion, garlic, bell peppers, yes, and all the other ingredients lined up like soldiers: ketchup, A1 sauce, yes, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, sea salt, and olive oil. Basic ingredients, yes, basic ingredients. I have to watch my health, protect my health, so the ingredients are modified. Yes, only certain ingredients I can use. I have to watch the salt contents so I don't damage myself or harm myself by cooking and using things that is going to be harmful to me. Yes, so without any further delay, yes, let me go to the stove and get things going. But first, I must season this pork up because I'll be doing it differently. So I'm going to season this pork up right now and then get to the stove. You're watching the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV on the international, yes, YouTube platform. Yes, Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV. This is a jerk pork stew, modified jerk pork stew. Yes, you're seeing this on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV. And rice and peas, Jamaican style, rice and peas with red kidney beans and Indian rice. And you're seeing this on the Winston Jail TV. Yes, on the international platform. Yes. So this will be my video short, and the premiere will be coming soon here on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Take it easy, my friends, until such time I see you again. Alright. Enjoy the view, enjoy the taste. I hope you can taste it. By just looking at it, you can imagine how it tastes.